Creator Award. Congratulations! We may just write to you and ask, do you remember your 100,000 subscriber? So, eto na siya. Pakita ko na sa inyo our silver play button. Hi everyone, it's Rachel. Welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we will be unboxing our silver play button. Kasama kayo and kayo yung dahilan kung bakit ako meron dito ngayon, and I'm really grateful for you guys. Hindi ko matatanggap to dahil sa inyo. Sobrang thank you so much. And also, later on, after kong ma-unbox itong aking silver play button, I will be sharing with you guys my experiences regarding sa YouTube and also my YouTube sahod. Kung curious kayo kung anong kinikita ko talaga sa YouTube. And also my advice regarding sa mga gustong mag-YouTube. Ayan, ibibigay ko yung mga advice ko kung paano kayo magkaroon ng mga subscribers, kung paano kayo tumaas yung views nyo, ganyan. Lahat ng tips and tricks, i-share ko sa inyo. Meron akong giveaway sa inyo to give back all the love and support that you have given me. So, stay tuned up until the end para sa mechanics and paano kayo manalo. So, if you're interested to see how I unbox our silver play button, just keep on watching. So, here it is. Ito na siya, our silver play button. So, dumating na siya last 2 weeks ago. Hindi ko pa siya nabubuksan because I was too busy with some videos na kailangan ko ipasa. Pero, ayan, eto na siya. Dumating na siya. I'm really happy. Finally, nahawakan ko na siya. It was my dream from the start na makakuha kahit silver play button lang. I'm really happy and grateful na makatanggap ng gantong plaque. And ayun, buksan na natin siya because marami pa tayong sasagutin ng mga questions, and alam ko, curious din kayo kung ano yung mga secrets and tips ko regarding sa YouTube. But here we go! Let's unbox this one. Super happy! Ito na siya, guys! Nakakaba? Kinakabahan ako. Hindi ko alam bakit. Wait lang. Oh my gosh, wait lang. Oh my gosh. So, meron siyang letter muna ito. Congratulations on your subscriber milestone. We are honored to take part in recognizing your achievement and want your experience to be exceptional. Sign natin again another letter from YouTube, and it is from Susan Woj. Basta yung CEO ng YouTube. Do you remember your first subscriber? Your 1,000 subscriber? Yes. Chances are you do. We know that you'll definitely remember your 100,000 subscriber. Your fans may have found you while searching YouTube, learn about you through a friend, or maybe you showed up as a recommended video. No matter how they came to your channel, fans stayed and their numbers increased because of your unique voice and the excitement of being part of the growing community that you establish. We are thrilled to see the development of your community and are proud to honor your impressive milestone of reaching 100,000 subscribers with the Silver Creator Award. Congratulations! We know that your fans can't wait for you to engage and amaze them even more with your commitment and creativity. So keep creating, keep building. We can't wait to see what you'll do next, and we're here to support you along the way. And who knows, when you reach your 1,000,000 subscriber, oh my God, naiyak ako. We may just write to you and ask, do you remember your 100,000 subscriber? Naiyak ako. I'm just so happy and overwhelmed. Sobrang saya ko. So, eto na siya. Papakita ko na sa inyo our silver play button. Bakit kung umiyak? Wait lang! Oh, I'm happy! I'm so happy. Oh my God. Ito na siya, guys. Thank you so much for supporting me and subscribing on my channel, believing in me, kasi hindi ko to magagawa without you guys. I wouldn't be receiving this today without you guys. So, this award is for you also. Thank you for watching me. Thank you so much. Presented to Rachel Ganya for passing 100,000 subscribers. Nanginginig ako, guys. Thank you so much. Sabihin niyo na madrama ako, pero from a nobody to reach this milestone. Oh, thank you so much. Nakita ko, nag-flashback sa akin lahat ng pinaghirapan ko, lahat ng sacrifices ko regarding dito sa YouTube na to. And I would never expect that 100,000 people would actually follow me, subscribe on my channel, and watch my videos. From the bottom of my heart, thank you very much. Thank you also to my family, to my parents, for believing in me, even though this career is not parang walang certain na path. You believed in me. Thank you so much. This award is also for you, my mom, my dad, my siblings, and also my friends who pushed me na gawin tong YouTube career ko. Thank you so much. Without you guys, hindi ko naman ito magagawa. Thank you so much. So I asked you guys on my Instagram to send me some questions regarding YouTube and also myself. The first question is, what motivated you to make your own channel? Just like any other YouTubers, I started YouTube for the sole purpose of memory keeping, parang ganun. So, I upload my travel videos, Tagaytay, Singapore, ganyan. Ganyan yung mga ina-upload ko nung una. From 2016, yun talaga yung start ng YouTube ko. Doon ako nag-create ng channel talaga. I was not really thinking na sisikat ako. So, nilalagay ko lang siya doon kasi if ever mabura ko siya, meron akong copy. Ganun yung mindset ko regarding sa YouTube. Next question is, how did you start your YouTube career? I actually started to take YouTube seriously noong 2019, nung pumasa ako ng boards. During that time, nag-vacation muna ako. So, from the start, I'm not really that girl na mabibo, ganyan. Hindi talaga ako nagsasalita during my first YouTube career talaga, yung year na yon. Kasi yung mga ina-upload ko are makeup videos and also how to style clothes, ganyan, na hindi need ng talking videos na ganito. But I will post parang 2 times a month or 1 lang kada month. Pero hindi talaga ako active kasi I was just doing what I love, which is yung pag-edit ng videos, pag-style ng mga clothes, ganyan. I just want to share kung ano yung gusto ko talaga, what I'm passionate about. Any advice for people starting their YouTube career? What if shy and not confident? So, one advice that I would share with you guys is, don't be shy. Yun lang talaga yung dito sa YouTube na to. Kapalan mo na yung mukha mo kasi if you're passionate about it, why not try, diba? Wala namang mawawala sa inyo. Regarding dyan sa judgment ng ibang tao, hindi yan permanent. Saglit lang yan. Hindi yan permanent yung matatatak sa kanila na gumawa ka ng channel, gumawa ka ng videos, ganyan-ganyan. Actually, nasa mindset lang talaga natin yung anong sasabihin ng iba, anong makakomment nila, ganyan. Baka magkaroon ako mga haters, ganyan. Pero, nasa isip lang talaga natin yon kasi may kanya-kanyang problema ang mga tao and hindi ka nila poproblemahin kasi nga meron silang sariling problema. Gawin mo na now na gumawa ka na ng YouTube kasi ikasasaya mo yon, lalong-lalo na kung passionate ka regarding sa filmmaking, editing, ganyan, sharing your thoughts, your experiences, ganyan. Kung mahilig kayong magdada-dada, ganyan, pwede yung YouTube sa inyo, or pwede rin sa inyo yung kung quirky yung personality nyo, you would catch the attention of people. Another advice that I would say is post at least once or twice a week. So, I think that yung quantity is mas mahalaga compared sa quality. Lalong-lalo na kapag nagsa-start ka pa lang. Kapag nag-start ka na ng quality, parang iniisip mo na agad na, ay, kailangan magkaroon na to ng maraming views kasi pinaghirapan ko to, ganyan, ganyan, ganyan. Ang dami kong ginawa, ganun sa videos na to. Pero, kung nag-upload ka ng 10 na videos, ganyan, meron at meron talagang video mo na magkakaroon ng maraming views. Consistency is the key kasi the more content you put out there, the more people would actually click it. So, another advice would be, do not look at the numbers from time to time kasi it would let you down. Parang madi-discourage ka lalo kapag tinitignan mo yung numbers na yan. So, I don't really recommend you guys to look at your YouTube studio or YouTube analytics every now and then, lalong-lalo na kapag nagsistart ka pa lang. Huwag mo nang masyadong expect na mag-viral ka na agad kasi ako, it took me a lot of years, parang 3 years, para magkaroon ako ng 100,000 subscribers. So, what if kung 1 month ka pa lang nag-YouTube, diba? Gusto mo na agad, 1,000 ganyan, 10,000 ganyan. Hindi agad-agad yan. Another tip sa mga starting YouTubers would be, go for searchable na mga videos like how to, ganyan. And then, i-incorporate nyo yung niche nyo. Another tip na mabibigay ko or advice sa mga nag-start sa YouTube would be, start sa other platforms kasi mas madali ka mag-blow up doon sa mga ibang platforms compared sa YouTube kasi YouTube takes a lot of time. I would really recommend you guys to start with TikTok first before YouTube. The next question that they ask, what is your favorite part of being a content creator? What I would say regarding about sa pagiging content creator is discovering and inspiring people. Discovering people kasi I wouldn't really think that 100,000 people would actually subscribe or click on my channel, click on my videos, watch my videos. I was really a nobody here sa Pampanga. Hindi ako sikat. I was never sikat sa ibang mga platforms like Facebook, Instagram, or TikTok. Wala talaga. I started on my YouTube talaga and I was really a nobody. So, another favorite part of mine from being a content creator would be inspiring others. So, I'm really, really happy na meron nagme-message sa inyo or nagdi-DM sa inyo regarding sa pag-inspire ko sa inyo sa pag-create ng mga videos, ganyan. Na-inspire ko kayo to be creative, to do this kind of edit sa mga projects nyo sa school, ganyan. Nakikita ko yung mga message nyo. Iba, yung saya ko, lalong-lalo na kung sinasabi nyo na inspire ko kayo, nagagandahan kayo sa mga edits ko, ganyan. Kasi I'm really, really proud of my works and I think na pinaghirapan ko talaga sila, inisipan ko talaga sila. So, thank you so much. And then, how do you stand out knowing there's a lot of content creators in YouTube? My advice for that would be you. I know it sounds cliche, pero yun talaga yung magsa-stand out sa inyo sa ibang tao. And if you're really having a hard time na mag-stand out, get inspirations from other content creators, but incorporate your style with it. Huwag yung talagang kopyahin or gayahin. Take example sa aking YouTube, which is a fashion-related na content. So, napakahirap mag-stand out, lalong-lalo na ngayon kasi sobrang dami ng mga fashion content creators sa YouTube. This, I think, is the best example. So, a lot of people are doing Shopee hauls, di ba? So, alam niyo naman na mahilig ako mag-Shopee haul. But, what I thought regarding sa pag-upload ng mga Shopee haul ko is, how can I stand out sa ibang mga content creators na gumagawa ng Shopee haul? What I did was a color theme Shopee haul. So, yun yung naisip ko. I think ako yung nag-start sa Philippines ng ganun na theme ng Shopee haul. So, I stand out regarding doon. So, my brown Shopee haul, viral talaga siya kasi ngayon lang sila nakakita ng ganun na theme or ganun na topic regarding sa Shopee haul. So, it caught their attention, it caught their eyes kasi bago sa paningin nila. So, think outside the box. Here is the next questions regarding my YouTube earnings. When will you start earning on YouTube? So, to be monetized by YouTube, you need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch time hours. In hours talaga yon. So, medyo mahirap yon and nagpakahirap din ako na monetize. Na-monetize yung channel ko December of 2019. How much do you earn on YouTube? So, I will be transparent with you guys. Pero hindi ko bibigay yung exact na amount kasi it vary. Parang nag-iiba-iba talaga yung YouTube earnings regarding sa views, ganyan, sa ads na papasok sa video mo kasi merong mga ads na malaki yung bayad, ganyan. And also yung mga nanonood. Kasi if your viewers are from other countries, iba, mas malaki yung bayad. My YouTube sahod just varies sa 50 to 30,000. Don't expect a lot, lalong-lalo na, di ba sa akin, meron na ako 100,000 subscribers, pero ganun lang nag-range yung aking YouTube sahod kasi a lot of my videos are not really doing well. Some are doing well pero hindi ganun karami na views. So, there are a lot of ways na kumita ka sa YouTube. So, it's not just solely sa AdSense or sa YouTube AdSense mo. Meron sponsorships, ganyan, and also affiliate links. So, those three are my main source of income right now. These are the important things that you should consider when doing YouTube. For me, ito yung mahalaga. So, the intro, the thumbnail, and also the title. So, just make sure that your thumbnail is readable kasi a lot of starting YouTubers don't really know how to do those aesthetic editing regarding sa thumbnails. So, ang kailangan talaga sa thumbnail nyo is readable or kita yung expression nyo in case na gusto nyo lang mag-convey ng expression regarding sa laman ng YouTube nyo. As for the title, it should be catchy. It should not be, pwede namang clickbait, pero as much as possible, kailangan na pasok pa rin dun sa content na nasa loob ng video na yon. So, be creative regarding sa title kasi meron din naman nakakatch yung attention regarding sa title. So, another points to consider is your intro kasi alam niyo naman yung span ng attention ng tao hindi ganun kahaba. So, as much as possible, get their attention dun pa lang dun sa first 15 to 30 seconds ng video nyo para ma-excite sila and maghanap pa para magstay sila longer sa video nyo. So, another thing to consider regarding sa YouTube is watch time. So, yun talaga yung pinakamahalaga para pumasok ka sa algorithm ng YouTube. So, watch time is really, really important. So, do not upload parang mga videos na parang 2 to 3 minutes kasi it would take you a lot of time para maggawa yung watch time nga na yun. So, as much as possible, create contents na malaman. Nandun na lahat yung parang burger. Parang sulit na sulit yung papanoorin nila na video. So, make sure na parang mga longer than 10 minutes yung video nyo. If they watch your videos longer, then the algorithm, ilalabas ka nila sa recommended video sa YouTube or dun sa homepage nila, ganyan. They would actually recommend you to other people. So, create a lot of videos kasi you will never know when that video would actually go viral and people would actually search for that kind of content. Another important thing na you should consider is a good audio. Okay lang na medyo mababa yung quality ng video mo, pero mas maganda yung audio mo. So, regarding sa aking mic, I don't really use the mic of my camera. I'm just using my phone, my other phone. So, this is what I use for my mic. Naririnig nyo naman na medyo lumapit yung mic ko. So, ito yung ginagamit ko na mic. And then, I would just transfer it to my editing software. Next questions will be regarding my YouTube gears, my equipments, and also my editing software. So, the first question would be, what is my film gear and editing software? So regarding my film gear, I have 2 cameras right now. The one I'm filming right now is a Fujifilm X-T20. So, ayan talaga yung main camera ko. Yun yung ginagamit ko. As for the other equipments, meron akong mga lenses. So, I have 35, I have 80, I have 50, I have 20 na mm na lens. So, and also I have a Canon G7X Mark II. So, regarding my editing software, so, nung una, ginagamit ko lang is yung phone ko kasi I don't have any laptop nung start ko. So, nung nagkaroon na ako ng laptop, my editing software just upgraded to Adobe Premiere Pro. Where do you get your music? Ayun nga yung mga palaging problema ng mga YouTubers, where to get non-copyrighted music. So, a lot of my music are from SoundCloud or other YouTubers na fina-follow ko. Ginagamit ko lang yung Shazam, and then makikita ko na kung anong title ng music na ginamit nila, and From there, I would get the title of the music and then I would paste it to my YouTube search box and then makikita ko doon kung na-copyright sa description box yung music na yon. Another website is the Hellomatic. The Hellomatic ba yun? Ilalagay ko na lang siya description box kung ano yung website na yon, pero a lot of YouTubers use that now para gamitin nila. When did you start learning and editing stuff? Noong una, I was really not good at editing videos. Pero from then on, I learned from my mistakes sa past na mga videos na ginagawa ko. Or parang nag-i-improve yung aking skills regarding sa editing. Matututunan mo yon along the way. Next question is, where do you edit your thumbnails? So I edit my thumbnails using the GoDaddy Studio. Dati over app siya, but now it upgraded to GoDaddy Studio. So that is where exactly kung saan ko ina-edit talaga yung mga thumbnails ko. And also my posters, if you guys are curious kung anong ginagamit ko, yun lang talaga. Where do I download my fonts? So my fonts, I would be putting the link sa aking description box para mapuntahan nyo yung website na yun. So, lagi akong nagda-download ng mga new fonts nila para medyo bago sa paningin nyo yung mga ginagamit ko na fonts. Next is, how long does it get to edit one YouTube video? So, how long do I edit my videos? Parang mga 2 to 3 days ako nag-edit ng videos. Kasi hindi naman ako yung straight na todo edit mula umaga hanggang hapon. But, if I would edit from morning to night, hindi siya tuloy-tuloy na editing. Meron siyang ibang shenanigans. These are the YouTube gears or editing software apps that I would recommend for starters. Yung mga nagsa-start pa lang ng YouTube. So, for the gears, I would recommend using your smartphones. Nung nag-start ako, I just only use my phone to film me. So, ang gamit ko lang is yung phone ko. And I do recommend using the back camera kasi mas ma-clear and also mas maganda yung quality ng video. So, regarding that problem na hindi ko na makikita yung sarili ko kapag nag-film ako. So, what I did nung ako yung nagsa-start pa lang, I use my phone, yung back camera, and then I put a mirror sa front niya so I would see myself dun sa mirror if it's recording or what if it's in focus para makita ko. So, dun ko lang siya binabantayan using the mirror. And if mayaman kayo, go buy yung mga cameras. Pero if kagaya ko kayo, you started from scratch, from zero na income, I would recommend using your smartphone. Kasi matatalino na sila and ang dami mong pwedeng gawin. And for the editing apps, I do recommend again using your phone kasi not a lot of people have laptops and pwede mong gamitin yung mga editing apps sa phone. Nasa tao lang talaga kung paano niya gamitin yung mga editing apps na yun. So, as for me, I started using the InShot app. Other apps that I would recommend are the VLLO. I don't know how to pronounce that one. And also the CapCut. Kung kayo ay beginner, I would recommend CapCut kasi marami na siyang features and also you can import your own fonts, ganyan. Marami kang magagawa. You could layer a lot of overlays, ganyan. Marami kang text na malalagay, ganyan. Hindi siya restricted yung galaw mo regarding sa pag-editing. Pero kung professional na kayo, kung gusto niyo nang mag-upgrade, Final Cut Pro and also Adobe Premiere Pro are the best editing apps to use. That is all of the questions that I want to answer right now. And thank you so much again for 100,000 subscribers. Thank you so much for this plaque. And I'm just so happy. So I want to give back to you guys by having this giveaway. It's a small giveaway, but I hope you would still participate. 5 winners would actually win 1,000 pesos. The mechanics would be, first, like this video and subscribe to my channel. Second would be follow me on my Instagram and also my TikTok account. Third would be please like this certain page sa Facebook. I will be linking it down below. And fourth is you comment done and then comment your Instagram, TikTok, and also Facebook username para makita ko talaga and ma-verify ko talaga na ginawa niyo yung step na yon. And that would be all. yun yung mga giveaway mechanics natin. Super easy, super dali. And the winner will be announced on February 15 after ng Valentine's. So I will be announcing it on my Instagram story and will be posting the usernames and the people who won the giveaway. So thank you so much for this plaque again. This is our silver play button. Thank you for watching. I hope I will see you on my next video. Bye!